As a part of the off-campus internship requirement for my teaching degree, I had a privilege to deploy at Batangan Integrated School. This internship was a significant phase in my journey as a free service teacher, allowing me to experience the actual school environment and apply the knowledge and skills I've gained throughout my academic training. My internship journey at Batangan Integrated School was both challenging and rewarding. I was assigned to teach MAPI 7 and Grade 7 curriculum under the supervision of my cooperating teacher. My task is to include preparing the lesson plans, delivering classroom instructions, and facilitating students' activity and assessing the student outputs. One of the most memorable experience I had was I conducted my first full teaching demonstration. Thought I was nervous at first. The support from my cooperating teacher and the engagement of the students gave me the confidence to manage the class effectively, that deliver my lessons successfully. Throughout my internship, I encountered various challenges, such as adjusting the different learning phase of the students, maintaining discipline in the classroom, and managing time effectively. However, with the continuous reflection, feedback, and the guidance of my mentor, I've learned how to address these issues, grow professionally. My off-campus internship at Batangan Integrated School was a meaningful and transformative experience. It allowed me to grow not only as a future educator, but also as an individual. It provided me with a clear perspective of the realities of teaching and vital role teachers plays in the shaping learners.